gluten-free and refined sugar-free, creamy and tangy. These lemon cheesecake cups are so delicious and ridiculously easy to make. I'm Bea from El Mundo Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make them.
It's like lemon mousse, perfect for the summer.
We're going to start with our base. Half cup of instant oats, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a quarter cup of pecans. If you prefer other nuts, then use those. There's no problem here. Now, let's just blend this into a semi-fine mixture. Set this aside while we prepare our filling. So here I have 16 ounces of full-fat cream cheese at room temperature. And to that, I'm going to add 2/3 cup of erythritol.
So, just letting you know, English is not my mother tongue. I'm Malaysian and I grew up speaking Malay. English is just something that I learned in school. So I hope you forgive me whenever I make mistakes here and there.
Once you have a fluffy mixture like this, let's add in 1 whole lemon zest to boost the flavor. A quarter cup of lemon juice. Once you have everything mixed, set it aside for a while. Here I have 1 cup of whipping cream that I have chilling in the fridge since yesterday. What you want to do is whisk it until stiff peaks. And now we're gonna gently fold it in so that we don't lose the air in the whipped cream.
Something that I think you don't know about me. I'm actually not into sweet. I'm more into savory. But my husband Marco, he loves sweet. He's Argentine, by the way. Well, what inspired me to make healthier sweets is because of him. Because I felt like since he loves sweets so much, might as well have better ones, no?
Okay, now let's assemble our cheesecake. Grab a cup or a small glass. Add around 1 tablespoon of the base that we made earlier. Place a slice of lemon against the glass wall. And lastly, just fill it with our filling. Once you've finished, place them in the fridge for minimum 4 hours for them to set. Before I go, I just want to say a huge thanks to all of you for all the kind and lovely wishes that we have been receiving these days. We are getting better and excited to be able to share more recipes with you guys again. Till the next one, thanks for watching.